Hey Faith Gang, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the Faith Gang. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. As you guys see by the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did a poll saying if you guys wanted me to go live or to have my unboxing video on my YouTube channel, and you guys chose my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm doing for you guys today. And my box actually came in the mail yesterday. But before we get into this video, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen. And I'm going to have all my social media accounts in my description box down below. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so this is the box and I'm just going to open it. Alright you guys, so when I opened the box, I got just like a piece of paper just showing all the items that I got in my box. And on the side of my box, I got a business card from the owner, Kyra. And on the back of the business card, I just got a nice note from the owner saying, welcome to the team, Faith. And the first item that I'm going to be showing you guys that was in the box is the Krown Dolls Honey Hemp Cream Hair Moisturizer. And this product looks like it's going to be really moisturizing. And the ingredients in this is aqua, distilled water, cetyl alcohol, butylene glycol, benzene, methyl sulfate, mango butter, shea butter, manu butter, cyclomethicone, dimethazone, alcohol, bunazate, isopropyl, mesostate, olive oil. So it's a lot of nice ingredients in here. It's more, but I'm not going to read it all because I don't want the video to be too long. But that's the first item. And in the box I actually have 2 products from the adult collection and 2 products from the kids collection. And the honey hemp cream that I just showed you guys is actually part of the adults collection. And the second item that I'm going to be showing you guys is also from the adults collection. And this is the hydrating leave-in conditioner. And I actually like the leave-in conditioner bottles with the handle like this, just because I don't really care for the ones that are like this, where you have to like hold on to the bottle and then you have to squeeze like the top of it to get the product out. But I like this product where it actually has like a handle to it. And the ingredients in this product is aloe vera juice, trim, methyl sulfate, cetyl alcohol, conditioner softener. Cetyl alcohol is a fatty acid, not an isopropyl alcohol, and is not drying. And it has a few other items that I'm not gonna name because I can't really say them. And this says that it can be used on the following: used on natural hair, used on hair that is chemically processed with dryness, and to protect, used on hair before blow drying, used on hair extension, used on scalp of natural hair braided for sewing, weaves, or extensions. Used to style and define natural curls, great for locks, cornrows, braids, and twists. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this because I love using leave-in conditioners. And the last 2 products are from the kids hair care products collection. So the first item that I'm going to be showing you guys is the Krown Dolls kids hair care products lemon drops shampoo with argan oil. The ingredients in the shampoo are aqua, so distilled water, aloe barbarinamus, aloe vera juice, sodium lithoral, sulfate, cocoa propyl, betaine, sodium cocoa, glutamate, disyl glycol, sodium glycinate. It's rosemary oil, grapefruit, citrus, lemongrass, soy protein. And the last item that I have in my box is the buttermint deep conditioner with avocado oil. And this product is also in 8 fluid ounces, and the ingredients in this product are aqua, distilled water, deep sea minerals, aloe barbarinamus, aloe vera juice, cetyl alcohol, citronone, chloride, citral alcohol, glycerin, hydroxide, soy protein, xanthan gum, butylene glycerol, phenol-oxylethane, avocado oil, rose hip seed oil, macadamia nut seed oil, and rosemary oil. This is what it looks like, and I can definitely smell the rosemary in the product. And again, so this is what it looks like, and it looks really thick and creamy. I'm definitely going to look forward to using this product because I like thick, creamy, deep conditioners. I got some on my nose. So yeah, guys, I got 4 items in my box. I got the lemon drop shampoo with argan oil, and this is in 8 fluid ounces. I got the honey hemp cream hair moisturizer, also 8 fluid ounces. I got the deep conditioner in 8 fluid ounces. And I got the hydrating leave-in conditioner in 8 fluid ounces. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I actually got a lollipop in my box. This is the sweet tart lollipop. So thank you, Kyra, if you're watching this. Thank you for sending me the products to review, and I'm looking forward to trying the products out on my hair. And once again, I can't wait to review all these products for you all. But that's all I have for today's video, Faith Gang. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed and you made it to the end of this video, sis, click that subscribe button so you can join the Faith Gang, and click the post notification button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. So once again, that's all I have for today's video, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.